listen and read. The Great Clean-up.
Hey, it's the Great Clean-up tomorrow. What's that? Well, there's a lot of rubbish in the forest and by the river. So, we go there and clean it up.
The next day.
Wow, this forest is beautiful. But look at the river. It's so dirty. Yes, come on.
Okay, first put the gloves on and pick up the rubbish. Put wood and cans in the biggest bags.
This is more difficult than flying.
It's okay, Bo. You don't need gloves. Hey, Bo, can you help me with this? No, Bo. The wood is wider than the bag.
No problem. Now the bag is wider than the wood.
Hey, can you help me? These bags are very big, and the mud is deeper than my shoes. Be careful. Yuck! I'm all wet. Look at all these cans and CDs and bottles. Why do people throw them in the river? Hey, why don't we use some of this for our shed? Great idea! I know what we can do.